All right, let's do some sum formulas here. So let's look at number 21. We have -6, -1, 4, 9. It looks like I am increasing by 5 every time here. So my common difference is going to be 5, and that's also going to tell me that this is arithmetic. So I need this formula here for my sum. So S sub n equals n over 2, a sub 1 plus a sub n. All right, I have my first term and my last term, but I don't know how many terms this is. So you could, you could potentially write this out on here. Let's see, -6, -1, 9. This isn't too many. Let's see. Then we go 14, 19. We're adding 5 each time. 24, 29, 34. 39. So what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 terms. Okay, so our n is 10. Another thing that you could do here is you could go 39 minus -6. So find the difference between the last number and the first number. Okay, and then you're going to divide by the common difference. But then you have to add 1, okay? So that's the thing that I don't really like doing that all the time if I can avoid it, because sometimes people forget to add the 1. The reason why we have to add the 1 because I want to include the first term. So if I just subtract it and I don't include the first term, I'm not going to have the right number of terms. So we want to add 1 there. But of course that would work if this were a much larger sequence. So just don't forget to add the 1 at the end. So we have 10 terms. You can go through and add them like that if you want, but let's use the formula. So the sum of 10 terms, 10 over 2, our first term is -6, and our last term is 39. So that's going to be, let's see, 5 times 33, 165. So the sum of these 10 terms is 165. Now this next problem, we have 45 terms, so the sum of the first term through the 45th term, and it is given to us as an arithmetic sequence, okay, because when I look at the formula, there's no exponent, so I know that's not geometric. So we're using the same formula. Okay, so n over 2, a sub 1 plus a sub n. So I need to find those terms. So I need the first term and I need the 45th term, so I can fill this out. So the sum of 45 terms is going to be 45 over 2, and then we need a sub 1 and we need a sub n, or a sub 45. So let's go ahead and find those. So we'll plug 1 in. 5 times 1 minus 3 is going to give us 2. And then 5 times 45 minus 3 is going to give us 222. Okay, so then we're going to go 45 divided by 2, and then we're going to multiply that by 2 plus 222, which is 224. So that's going to be 5,040. So the sum of our 45 terms is 5,040.